Anyway, okay, so we have some new spy shots of an upcoming 2024 Cadillac Escalade. What's different here is that this is apparently could be a V model, Escalade-V, which is interesting because up until this point, these vehicles have been relatively sluggish. They have not been very fast SUVs, and they exist for the purpose of moving a lot of stuff or people around in luxury. So it's had 420 horsepower in the past. I've had one of these. These are not really that much of a joy to drive. They're smooth and comfortable, but they don't accelerate very quickly because they're super heavy. But in the past, Cadillac has had like V series vehicles, but they were sedans. They were cars. They never did a V version of the very popular SUV, Cadillac SUV, the Escalade. So the thinking here is that they would have a V8 version with over 600 horsepower, and it would actually be fairly quick.
Wow, what a beast. So what are these cars used for? Is it meant for like families or traveling?
An Escalade? I mean,
Yeah.
it's just it's a luxury SUV. I mean, the airport limo Uber types love them as well, obviously. It's a luxurious way to be driven around, but
I see them on the road. They're massive.
Escalades?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They just roll over everything.
Yeah, I mean, it's a big 4-wheel drive, 3-row seating.
They do look nice though.
Truck with a large truck, and then you have the extended ESV model, which has an even longer tail on it. Which actually, I think this one in the picture is the shorter model. But anyway, if you scroll down, we can see some of the other specs that you would expect to see on this if it does come to be. Scroll down a little bit further. Yeah, so supercharged V8 making 668 horsepower. Now that's, I guess, currently exists in the CT5V Blackwing. That's the sedan, but they've done different fast sedans in the past with this type of naming. I think it's important right now. Everybody's expecting all things luxury, performance, all of the above. And electric vehicles seem to have accelerated that. You want everything to be responsive, including your enormous Escalade. So anyway, this could be our first glimpse at what that might look like. You can play a little bit of the video if you want. There's a video clip right there of the spy shots. It's all wrapped in black at this point. They try to make it difficult to tell what it is. But it's kind of weird because it recently got facelifted, so there must be some exterior performance elements that they're hiding as well.
Maybe a couple cameras.
What do you mean?
Just around like the body that they want to hide. Maybe it's like a feature.
Oh, yeah. There could be
I don't know, self-drive.
Yeah, there could be safety and autonomous stuff, or it could just be like that they're going to do the grill differently because it's the performance model. There could be like trim pieces that are ever so slightly different because it's the performance model, and they're just trying to hide those components. But this is what they do frequently.
Man, I feel like in Apocalypse, I would totally ride this thing.
Yeah, that'd be comfy.
Like it's so rugged and armored.
No, it will look more polished eventually, but you're right.
Well, yeah.
In its spy safe mode, it looks very post-apocalyptic.
Yeah.
You're absolutely correct.
Very cool.